Good morning. This is a GFW Pioneer Express. Today we got all of our mean machines here ready for Age Equipment Day. We're going to parade past the GFW High School and the elementary school.
Hi, my name's Braden. I drove a 8110 to school, John Deere.
I'm Lincoln McHugh. I'm a sophomore at GFW school, and I'm driving a Can-Am side by side.
I'm Matthew Burns. I'm a junior at GFW High School. I'm driving a tractor all the way down there. It's a 8235 John Deere.
I'm Layden Hamry with the GFW Pioneer Express, and I am driving that big machine right there. It's a 645K squad track.
Clayton Carr, senior. I drove the 6145 and that's it. John Deere.
Joe Baranek, I'm a freshman at the GFW Pioneer Express, and I drove the John Deere 8440 and manure spreader.
Jeremy Albert, we call it the Battle Bus because she flies.
I'm driving the, what year is it on? 2018? The Chevy Silverado back there.
I'm Luke Bastian. I'm driving an 8225R John Deere.
I'm Abby Williel. I'm just riding today.
I'm August Raboff. This is an Allis-Chalmers B17.
William Bastian from the GFW Pioneer Express FFA chapter. Having a lot of fun today.
Hi, I'm Eden Mesterly. I'm the GFW FFA chapter president, and I'm riding tractor with William in the tractor parade.
This is my tractor. This is a 2003 New Holland TT210. I'm here for a GFW's Pioneer Express FFA driver tractor to school day.
Lift off and the clock has started.